Are you looking for an easy and simple way to scale your Kindle publishing business without spending a single dollar? The key is to leverage the books you already have, and we're going to show you exactly how to do that right now in this video. Let's go! Alright guys, welcome to another video. I'm just chilling in the pool right now, in our rooftop pool where we moved to a few months ago. Alright, anyway, so in this video we're going to talk about exactly how you can increase your publishing income by leveraging the content you already have. And you know we always keep it real with you, which actually reminds me, I've gotten multiple hate messages sent my way because I'm sharing all the secrets that people are making a shitload of money using. Maybe I'll show screenshots of that or make a whole video about it because that's been pretty interesting. But that's how you know we're keeping it real. Anyway, so what was I gonna say? How the best way to leverage your content and scale your business without spending a dollar is by publishing your books outside of Amazon. And specifically, the platform that we like to use is called Draft2Digital.com. So Draft2Digital.com is a website that you submit your books to. They do whatever with your books, and then they further distribute your books onto 8 different publishing platforms, such as Apple iBooks, Barnes & Noble, Kobo, and some other ones. But the great thing is you only have to publish on this one website, Draft2Digital, and they publish it on a bunch of other platforms for you. So that saves a lot of time. This is something I've recently implemented into my business. I recently put all of my books, took them off of KDP Select. That's an important thing to remember. You have to take your books off of KDP Select before you could publish them outside of Amazon. So I got them off KDP Select and I put them on Draft2Digital. And it has actually increased my income significantly. A lot more than the KDP Select program paid me, which is, I don't think I ever made more than $100 in a month, because they pay you per page read, like half a cent or a quarter of a cent or a quarter of a half of a cent, something like that. It's an insignificant amount. So I'm personally not a big fan of the KDP Select program because it doesn't really offer much. I guess the one thing it offers is you're able to run 5-day free promos, but those themselves don't even do that much. You're just giving away your book for free. So what I would do if I were you is take your books off KDP Select. They are on a 90-day contract, so that if you opted in to the program, it has to be on there for 90 days. But most likely it is on like an automatic renewal thing. So at least go to each of your books and click off the automatic renewal of the KDP Select, so that after 90 days it won't be in anymore and you can do whatever you want with it outside of Amazon. But if you can't wait the full 90 days, you could actually email KDP and ask them for them to take your books off KDP Select. Sometimes they'll do it just, I guess, out of the kindness of their heart, or they'll just do it for you if you ask nicely. That's actually what I did, and they did do it for me. They took my books off KDP Select, which was perfect because I didn't have to wait 90 days to start publishing outside of Amazon. So once I got that done, that's when I started experimenting with different platforms, such as Draft2Digital. I also tried another one called Lulu. I had some complications with that, so I don't know too much about that. I didn't really go much further. But Draft2Digital is the one that I feel great about, and the one that I think you should publish all your books to. Alright, so I guess I don't have too much more to say about that other than use Draft2Digital. I guess that's our little secret in this video. So next step would be to go into my computer and show you my dashboard, and I guess I could walk you through how to get set up with Draft2Digital. Let's do this. Alright, one more thing I wanted to mention about Draft2Digital and why I like it so much is because it is literally like a set it and forget it type thing. You publish your book and you never look at it again. That's at least how I do it. That's how I prefer to do it, because that means it's passive. If I'm just looking and stressing about my book sales all day, it's not very passive. And also publishing a book on Draft2Digital is way faster than on Kindle. Yeah, I'll show you. I'll walk you through it. I'll show you. A lot faster, a lot quicker. You could probably get all your books on Draft2Digital in one day, depending on how many books you have. But throw them on Draft2Digital and you can thank me later. if you're ever considering moving to Hawaii, know that it is probably the cloudiest place you've ever lived. I was not expecting this, but it is like cloudy over half the time, and it's actually kind of annoying. I was not expecting that from Hawaii. But yeah, it looks like this almost every day. Kind of sucks, but it's pretty sweet out here. Alright, so here we are in my Draft2Digital Dashboard. So I recently just uploaded all my books to Draft2Digital. All, I don't know, 70, 80 books. I don't know how many I have. There's a lot though. So I uploaded them all to Draft2Digital. This is how my sales look this month. There are some books that are not going to sell much, if at all. See, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 6, 9. But then there are some books that just randomly take off on Draft2Digital. For example, here I have a cluster of books, 22, 16, 19, and 14 sales each. And that's just in 18 days in April. So that's pretty good. A lot better than what the KDP Select program was paying me through the pages read. That really did not make me much money. So all in all, I would highly recommend moving or taking all your books off KDP Select and moving all of them to Draft2Digital. I can almost guarantee that it will make you more money every month. Alright, so if you guys want to get started with Draft2Digital, all you got to do is set up a Draft2Digital account. I'm going to put the link in the description. Just click the link, go through there, set up an account, put in all of the bank information they need. You've done it before because you're probably on Amazon selling your books there. So set it up, publish your books. Publishing books on Draft2Digital goes much quicker than on Amazon, so you could probably get them all uploaded in one day. But yeah, use the link in the description. Go there, sign up, and get started. Alright, bye. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe. Any questions you have about Kindle publishing or anything for that matter, I'll try to answer. I don't know much else outside of Kindle, but yeah. Let me know if the video was helpful. I already said that. Let me know if there's anything I need to explain more, because I feel like I'm not very good at articulating myself on camera. I'm still working on that, but I'll get better. Anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching. See ya.